What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I also want to take this chance to thank you all for watching all my videos, because it really means a lot to me. Stay subscribed and keep watching the channel, because a lot of good content is coming your way. Coming back to what we'll be working on today, we'll be working on this 2012 Hyundai Sonata. I got this off Facebook Marketplace, and mostly what we need is likely the exterior. We need a new gas cap at the door as well, and the passenger side we'll need a mirror for this. This got broken up, so we'll get a new mirror for that. And also I think we need we'll get some bumper repair as well. Right there's a little hole, so I'll get that repair. I know I'm good at doing that. So, and that's all for the exterior. The worst thing about this car is the interior, which is really dirty. If you look, all the seats, the floor dirty as well, from the back dashboard going all the way to the center console, and the back seat is the same as well. So if you look at the back seat, also really dirty, and I'll get that cleaned up. We'll do like deep cleaning on it. We'll take out the seats, get it well cleaned up. I already have like the part. I got this off the junkyard. That's the door for the gas tank, and also the mirror as well. So with all that being said, I'll go ahead. I'll start on this one. We'll also need like new wheel covers for that, and I know it will look good after we're done. So with all that being said, I'll go ahead and start on this one. Then I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, so coming back to our to-do list, we got the new passenger side mirror installed. That is good. We got a new gas cap installed as well. Good. So I'll go ahead, I'll start on the bumper repair, which to do that I need to take out this bumper. I'll take out all these bolts, take that out in order to take the bumper out so we can get this, so we can get that repaired. So let me go ahead, I'll take out the bumper and then I'll get that repaired, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, quick update on the car. So I got everything put together. Remember I took out the bumper just to repair the little hole that was right here. So I got everything bonded, sanded and painted. It looks really good. And also the only thing that would need more on this bumper is going to be the fog light covers, which I have them already. I'm going to install that really soon. And also if you look, the gas cap, remember this was missing. So got the new one installed. And also on the driver's side, the mirror too was missing, so I got the mirror installed as well. So it looks really good. I got this off the junkyard at a really cheap price. And the only thing missing from this exterior now is gonna be the wheel cover. So I got those already. I'll install them, but not today. The day I'll detail the car, that's when I'm gonna install them. And I also noticed that the radio stopped working. It might be like a fuse is bad, or I might need to replace the whole radio. So with all that being said, I'll go ahead, I'll clean this car up. And Alright guys, coming back to our to-do list, we got everything done. We got a new gas cap installed already, and we got the bumper repaired, and got the new wheel covers installed, and did the interior cleaning. I'm gonna do the headlight restore now. I'm gonna get that fixed up. I'll sand it and shine it, so everything should be fine. Alright guys, last update on this car. So we got everything put together. Remember I had to replace the mirror. It looks really good. It matches with the color, and also the bumper was broken, so I got that repaired. And if you look, the gas cap too was missing, so I got a new gas cap and the door. It matches with the color as well. And also if you see, I got two new I got a new wheel covers put up. Looks really good. And moving to the interior, which was the worst part of this car, we got that detailed up. We got new floor mat. Everything looks clean and neat now. And for the radio situation, what was happening was the fuse was bad, this fuse, so I got a new one installed, and the radio works well now. And if you look at the back seat, it looks really good. Everything is cleaned up now. And with all that being said, this is gonna be everything about this car, and I'll see you guys in the next one.